How you doing? I'm Kevin. Welcome back to Level Plumb Square. This is my best little helper Jackson, my grandson, and we're going to change bucket teeth today on the backhoe. The tooth here was broken on a job, but you can see the amount of wear over years that they do need to be replaced periodically. All right, we need our ear protection and our eye protection. This one's yours. And the first thing we have to do is drive out the old keepers that hold the pins in. This is a special tool made just for this. Stand back, bud. Now you'll see here I was beating here. This is designed to fit into this tight spot. Now I have to beat from here. Stand around this side, Jackson. This one here I'd already knocked loose. Now, clean off all the mud and dirt that gets in here so that the new ones have a good fit. Just a wire brush. I'm gonna hammer it, everybody. Like that. Clean all these up. The whole idea of keeping good teeth on here is to stop the bucket from wearing so much. Makes it penetrate the ground a lot better. A lot of people wear their teeth down to where these get worn, and once these get damaged, then the teeth won't stay on anymore. I can usually tell how good somebody takes care of their digging equipment by whether or not they keep their teeth maintained. This is just an old battery cleaning brush, just to try to get some of the dirt corrosion out of the holes. It's a friction fit, so it doesn't need to be perfect. Now, this is a new tooth, and it'll give you some idea of how much wear there is. Even notice how thin this is compared to this. Different thicknesses. That's why the one on the end there shattered when I hit something hard. They were just worn out. All right, Jackson, I need a pin and a keeper. And a hammer. It goes like that. Whenever I replace the buckets, I always replace the pins too, because they get bent and worn and will fall out if they get too worn. And here we go like this. And believe it or not, that's all it holds on. But once some dirt packs in there, this gets pretty rigid. All right, buddy, you can start giving me the parts. I always buy the good Caterpillar teeth. They seem like they last a lot longer than aftermarket ones. Now this tool is also meant for installing. You just can't get in here with a hammer. But I can take this tool and line it up, watching my fingers, and hit out here. And there you go. Here's another keeper, buddy. And there is an indentation in this that corresponds with that little locking ring in there.
Oh.
That the last ones that are in there?
Yep.
They usually get a couple extras because they do fall out sometimes. Once this gets digging in some ground, by seeing how hard they are to get off, dirt and stuff gets jammed up in these and these really get tight. I know right now they don't look like they're holding by much, but believe me. This one I'm going to have to really keep an eye on because this is the one that broke, and I actually dug a little bit and I hope I didn't wear the shank too much. But there you have it. From that, you can see how much these were worn. These were actually that size at one point. These usually last 200 or 300, 400 hours for me, depending on what kind of material I'm digging in. And there you have it, another little maintenance project with me and my helper Jackson. Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. If you like the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. See you on the next one.